Them two prophet they will come up. Sandy and Bones. You know the two prophets in them what me I talk about, right?
Yeah, man, that's a code, man. Yeah. You don't know through Queenie, I go through, I think everybody will get all kind of news from everybody fear still you see, but you don't know, we don't know if I true or a lie, them I tell no. Or yo, sometimes some false prophet come in all kind of way, you see it. And you don't know Tanny, they are burn a fire upon Amari, you see it. And all the prophet them will forward and I say, yo, them get news, Queenie, bad news, good news, you see it. So when they depend, well, go on, welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV with the next update again, you see it. And you don't know Amari Skellington, you see it. You don't know Shelly a beat her body, you see it. And she does have some words to Queenie said speed, you see me? So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see me? And you also can follow me over Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah man, but we just forward that video and go hear Tanny and say, yeah man, for sure, burn a fire over here.
Queenie Lady Gangster, Eenie, aka Eenie. I'm gonna call you Queenie no more. Eenie me call you. Eenie, aka Queenie. When you gonna stop? I told woman me here say over the weekend come prophesize you. Say one say death, one say you gonna recuperate. One say death, the other one say you gonna recuperate. And the two dopey them me I tell you about. See them there, them a run up on you. Them two dopey there. Them two girl dopey there, them a make you know say them a work the voodoo on you. So you have to be careful. You hear me I tell you, remember a tree dopey, you know? A tree dopey me come a tree spirit me come talk about you and see the two of them reveal themselves there. You don't want nothing more for tell you no lie me I tell. Your daughter alone a fight your backland, them two girl we a talk about them get dream for you and they get message to you and them at the up your walk away a voodoo your ass. You hear me, Queenie? So Eenie, the people them are fantasize, prophesize over your days and your age and your numbers. We don't need to stop doing it. It's me alone supposed to rub out Queenie. I'm British and she's British. Who is not British not supposed to run out Eenie? So to me a British, we can't rub her out. Blood clad Queenie. Try me case get well and come out here and make me dog you. Because you're not answer. Queenie, me I rub you out and me I at you and make you know say me there chat by you. And you're not techie. You're not tuning. You're not come argue with me. So you're afraid of me? Eenie? You're afraid of me, Queenie? AKA Eenie. You're little boy afraid of me. So none of you can come up here come rub me out because I'm afraid of me. I'm afraid my dog going to turn up to a different level. This is your girl Tanny and you're live and direct and whatever goes international. On all fat. Me a kind of drop on the ratings. Me not keep on up at the gate here, so on all ass gatekeeper. On if you slap out and go on in a lane somewhere else and get not seen up here much. Cause on all fat. Me not time for no. Eenie, you feel later. You played out your steal. I ain't give a shit what a prophecy once said about you. All the prophecy in the world will come down and talk shit about you. You're not take no eat, so it don't make no sense. As me tell you before, a tree spirit me see upon you, and them two, they will reveal themselves for the other two spirit. Deal with it. Call me now, 12 side for no free reading. Yes. I can't tell you everything we are going in our life. You know, just go for 12 sites over there. So spiritual advice, I go like, share, subscribe, YouTube. It depends on YouTube and Facebook. IG, go look feed there. Go look for 12 sites and come tell me no business so I can help you know. In any way, I can help myself. If I never feel me and my own thing, people that get me in this country, I don't know how much Obia or them America or them love Obia. No fuck you know. Yes, this is whatever goes international in your life and direct. On YouTube, Spotify, Anchor, Facebook, and the Gram. Big up on yourself. That's the end of Queenie and do it. Me not time for uno to play it out. Tired of uno, me not go to no hype. Amari, what you mean, boy? You take away yourself. Yeah, do live stream now. You never used to live stream on YouTube, bitch. Why you following? You just know what you can do? Amari. All of them tattoo the way you have by your body from your neck. You look a mess, bitch. Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, honey. I'm so sorry. I don't wanna discriminate nobody today. I don't wanna fight nobody today. But Amari, you start cook? Me see you drop the supermarket walks. Amari, are you cooking now, love? You cooking? You still not gain enough farmer weight from the how much weeks ago. Me tell you if you start buy food in the market and cook instead of walk along the aisle. If you want some cooking advice and you want some recipe, I will gladly send over some stuff for you to try. You understand? But instead of you up here with all them tattoo that just look like some plain ink, coming out and make out them character they with on your body because they so shaky, I can't make them out. So please stop mark up yourself because really and truly tattoo not fit you. Because them the tattoo they just look like it depends somebody with drunk or dry breaks, man, honey. So this is whatever goes international and you're live and direct with Tanny. I may talk up the things that become have time to talk up the things them as a businesswoman. As a businesswoman coming up on YouTube, trying to look some views and subscribers so you can listen to my podcast more. This is not about money. This is not about money. And this is not me running down fame or clout or I'm gonna lie to people. I just want something to do. And this is something that interests me. You understand? This is something, I mean, I want to sit down on the blood clot sideline and I say, I can't speak. English is not my first language, love. So I'm sorry if y'all can pick up my accent. But as a girl, as a female, from the ghetto of Jamaica, Kingston 12, 40 Udder Street, Jungle on it, gather. Big up Andrew Pang, you don't know my friend, straight out of Jonestown. Big up my friend all the time. Yeah, good, clean, cute friend. Big up yourself, Andrew. Tanny, love you. Yes. So let me done with that. And let me tell you, as a little ghetto girl from out the garrison, I travel the world. Yes. I live in 3 countries in the world, and it's Jamaica, England, and America. And I travel to Europe when I used to live there. So I'm up to a whole heap of different stuff. So I'm not an idiot. A girl will stay in America and just travel to Jamaica can't chat to me. Queenie, you travel Europe? You're up here? The time where you're up here on social media, I run up and down in a Jonestown, even a Jonestown, in a Portmore, or wherever you come from, and Portland. But make you not travel, like how you live in Europe too. Go on out of Europe, go on to Germany. You know? I've been to Germany. Been to Paris. So how you not travel? And you right there in Europe, you can jump on the train, the Virgin. I ain't understand you. I don't understand you, Queenie. You slow. All on in the dirty cloth in the ghetto, not no more. No try to elevate on a life from nothing. All we wanna do is just stay in the cloth we wanna have up here and not no more. We don't want nothing else. We don't want to see different people. We don't want to change up on a life and live. We don't just live a barn and live and die in the same shit. Every woman up here over the world want to change. Nobody no want to sit down in the same thing every day because that shit becomes boring. It become boring. And when it become boring, what you gonna do? You gonna play it out. So guess what you do? Travel the world and find new things and new ideas and come back again. All the time it's not about dogging, criticizing and fucking around and social media. Sometimes you can come with some positive things that can really do help other people. Instead of someone who come up here so attack shit. What about that? And for the 2 prophets, we see Queenie living and dying. A man who don't want, them 2 prophets there will come up. Sandy and Bones, you know the 2 prophets in them what me I talk about, right? This is whatever goes international, you're live and direct, and whatever goes international with your girl Tanny. Yes. The 2 prophets in them, the woman. You know, say the 2 are one man. You not dream nobody. You just a look at clout and somebody selling her up here because you hear me say tree spirit by Queenie. You can't stand there and talk about who don't believe me say me a prophet. You not no prophet. Me not see prophecy in that one. Come me look through people soul. So stop come up here and lie for cloud. None of you not see nothing about Queenie. None of you not so gifted and spiritual for see them they sitting there with me see. So I stop take up people content and run with it. None of you not see a blood clot thing with Queenie. The two of you want man. You don't need money now in life. You don't need wood. I'm trying to keep it clean and be a good girl today. And this is whatever goes international. And you're live and direct on Spotify, YouTube, Anchor, Facebook, and the Gram. And you're listening to your girl, Tanny, and whatever goes international live outside Southwest Philly. Yeah. Big up all Southwest Massive, West Side, East Side, North Side, all junglist, all Rete, all Waterhouse, Tower Hill, TG, everywhere. Big that and two other one. Now, two little fuckers are the witch. So, I'm missing nobody I got dead, I'm missing nobody I got do nothing. We just say, see three fucking spirit. One are that and two other one. Now, two little fuckers are the witch. Two and one of the witch, Queenie. And them two women they were prophesize your life, and them a voodoo you. Not glad. And to the next, write them off of the book. Candy. Not glad. Sure. All them blood clots sitting here people for and endure. Candy. Me like the other side. Your name is a very nice name, the Candy Wow. But my girl, you don't know wow. You ain't wowing. Me not see no farmer wow upon you. Why you don't go fix up yourself? Please. Because none of this shit that you and Randy doing making sense. So if Randy come into your life feel like say him can come trick poor people up here, I beg money to make wedding for you and him. Where the teeth? Where the teeth that you're supposed to put in, my girl? Candy, you're a junglist, you know. A bembo off of the bembo you come from. Fix up yourself. You understand? Fix up yourself, please. If you're going to marry to the